tips on getting a field welding job or a shop welding job or an ironwork and a mill welding job on the spot. I'm gonna tell you what the folks really like. Don't go in with no suit and tie on when you're trying to get these type of jobs. You're not doing it. So if you're not going in as a business person to try to get some contract work from them, you don't want to go in like that. This is what you want to do. You want to go in looking like a worker. You want to be ready, steel toe boots on, full nine. You want to be ready. So when they look at you, they can tell that you are ready to go to work today. And some of the shops be there's so much of a need, they'll even ask you, can you start now? I can start right now. So think about that. Dress according to the position you're trying to get. So you don't want to overdress the situation. You want to dress like you're ready to make money. But if you go in there looking like you're a lawyer or a businessman, they might interpret you different. So, and it also can show the person that you're trying to be something that you're not psychologically. So think about that. Go in ready to work.